can show you how narrow it is here over here. It's very, very small. If you can see it, it's so damn narrow. But we entered. Beyond. A lot of trucks going on here. Driving around like crazy people. A lot of trucks parked. And somewhere in this row we got a park as well. We almost touched mirrors. To show you how small it is here. That's my mirror. That's the end of the truck, and this is only a hand. It's nothing. Check the mirror. See how small it is, how close we are to the other truck. Gotta wait for this truck to park, and then it's our turn. The big shiny thing is our tank. We love square tanks here in Holland. Kind of trucks parked it over here. They're all loading here. No space between them. And now I make an error.